Hello, what's up everybody? It's the Crypto Hype Man back at it again with another brand new video. And today I just want to show you this amazing method that I use in order for me to discover cryptocurrency coins which have got the potential to blow up. But anyway, without further ado, I just want to let you guys know that I'm definitely going to give you this method free of charge, because I don't want to charge you guys for anything. And believe you me, I've spent a lot of time studying cryptocurrencies and studying the whole market. So I just want to give you this information for free because I believe the best things in life are for free. Can you imagine your eyesight, your hearing abilities? It was pretty much given to you for free, but it's very valuable. So what I'm trying to do is I'm pretty much going to give you all this free information. I hope you guys are going to be coming back to my channel for more information because I literally don't want to charge you $10 or $100 just for you to get this particular information. But anyway, I would only love you to do one thing. Me giving out these methods is very risky on my part because but anyway, it's whatever, because you guys are you guys are my family and I want you to make money, all right? But all I'm asking for you to do is, in case you decide to use this method or one of the methods that I'm going to be teaching here on my channel, right? Can you please donate at least something to my channel? That would be very awesome because it's going to motivate me to give you more valuable information free of charge. Anyway, without further ado, let me not make this video boring and long for no freaking reason. So pretty much this is what I do in order for you to make a lot of profit from cryptocurrencies, right? You have to discover a cryptocurrency right before it blows up, because what really happens most of the time is a lot of people decide to invest in a cryptocurrency when the wave has pretty much died down. So yeah, all you have to do is find the right cryptocurrency at the right time, because cryptocurrency trading, or rather cryptocurrency investing, is all about proper timing. Timing is everything. And by the way, you guys, I really urge you not to be emotionally attached to your money because I keep on saying, money, it's all about numbers. Think of your money as a number. That's it. Don't be emotionally attached to it because you're going to end up making the wrong decisions. All right. And please invest the money which you're not going to use. I don't know, just the money that you're going to invest, be ready to lose it. Okay. So yeah, that was a quick disclaimer right there. But anyway, if you look at what I have on the screen right now, I'm on cryptocurrency coinmarketcap.com, right? And pretty much this is pretty much my Bible. Every time I wake up, I usually look at this page, this website. Also, I really urge you guys to do the same, okay? So this is pretty much a summary, or rather a recap of pretty much all the cryptocurrency coins out there, okay? So this pretty much shows us a lot of information. It shows us the price, the volume, the change in price, and all that stuff, okay? So I would really encourage you to look up a quick tutorial on this particular website on YouTube. I believe a lot of people have already done quite a number of tutorials about how to use this particular website. So please do check out the videos out because I'm just going to briefly talk about what's really involved over here. So this is one of the websites that I use in order for me to discover amazing cryptocurrencies out there. For example, here, as you can see, in this particular column right here, it says change 24 hours. So this is pretty much showing us which cryptocurrencies are doing what. I hope that's pretty much clear. I don't know, it's really hard for me to explain. So this pretty much shows us the activity that a particular cryptocurrency has been going through. So for example, if you look at Ethereum right over here, right, it has increased by 1.28%. Okay, so it's pretty much going up. If you look at Bitcoins right over here, right, it has actually decreased. The price of Bitcoin has actually decreased by 0.21%. And by the way, here's the price. So these numbers are relatively related to the prices. Okay, so for example here, Ripple, as you can see right there, the price is $0.23 so it actually increased by 0.998%. okay, so you can actually look at the the list of coins here, right? Try to see which ones are doing very well, okay? So for example, if you look at this coin right over here, NXT, it actually went up by 9.7%, which is actually very good. So like, for example, you've never heard about this coin, right? All you gotta do is do a little bit of research about this coin. Maybe it has got maybe it has got some potential. All right. So I usually use this website to like, pinpoint which coins I need to like research on. All right. And usually you must be interested in coins which are doing very well. That's pretty much, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to be only interested in coins which are doing good, because you don't want to invest in something which is going to go bad, which is going to like have a decrease in value. You should always look forward to like coins which are consistently improving their, platforms, their services, because like that you're guaranteed that the price of the coin is going to go up. Okay. So, and one other thing besides, the activity of the coin, or rather the change in volume, you also have to look at the circulating supply of that particular coin. For example, Bitcoin in total has got, a circulation supply of 16 million, about 16.5 million coins. These are the coins which are like circulating out there. So this is very important because it determines like when you look at the number of circulating coins out there, right? You've got a rough estimate of how the coin is going to perform in the long run. All right. So you find that a lot of coins which have got very small circulating supply, they are usually doing good. Okay, but that doesn't really mean that, it doesn't necessarily mean that if a coin has got like a very small amount of circulating supply, that means it's automatically going to do well. No, that it doesn't really mean that, but it's better sometimes to like invest in coins which have got like a very limited circulating supply, because that means the price of that particular coin is going to increase in value in a very short period of time. But if you look at other coins which have got like a lot of circulating supply, that only means that it's going to take time for that coin to increase in value. And especially when you're investing in cryptocurrencies, right? Time is very important. You don't want to like invest in something which is going to blow up like in 10 years. I mean, like personally for me, I really want to like get in, get out like in the shortest period of time. I wouldn't like to like wait for 5 years, because I've got a lot of things to do. All right. So let's just quickly look for a coin which has got a low circulating supply. All right. And by the way, in order for you to look at the circulating supply, you have to look in this particular area. Okay. So this is pretty much what I'm trying to do. So let's look for a coin which has got an overall small circulating supply, and let's just try to see how much that coin is worth. So as you can see here, just a moment, I'm trying to see, just a moment, just hold on. Yeah, for example, I think I found one, right? If you look at this particular coin, Counterparty, it has got roughly about 2,618,000 circulating coins. These are pretty much the number of coins which are like circulating out there. You understand? And if you look at this particular coin, look at the price, look at the value of that particular coin. It's about $8, which is frankly quite a lot of money when you talk about cryptocurrencies, because yeah. And have you guys ever heard of Counterparty? Have you guys ever heard of this particular coin, right? Probably a lot of you have never heard of it, but look at its value. All right. So that's pretty much how the circulating supply can influence the value of a particular coin, because the more limited the supply is, the more demand is going to be there for that particular coin. You get my point, right? So yeah, I'm pretty much sure a lot of you have never heard about this particular coin, but how come it's about $8, you know? So in case you guys have heard about this particular coin, please let me know in the comment section below. Yeah, and let's also look at this one. Digibyte. The circulating supply is about 2 million, right? And look at the value of of this particular coin. It's about $75. Like I don't know, like, have you guys ever heard of Digibyte? You know, the most common cryptocurrency coins that we hear of are Bitcoin, Ethereum, probably Ripple, you know, and yeah, so it's amazing to like see how the circulating supply really affects the price of a particular coin, you know, because more demand means a higher price. So that's pretty much what happens, you know. If you look at some of these other coins, right? If you look at this one, the circulating supply is about 42 million, and look at the price, you know. So yeah, it happens, but you know, just think about that as well, because the circulating supply also affects you know, the price of a particular cryptocurrency coin. But having a small circulating supply doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to increase in value. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. But most of the times, like, you know, 9 out of 10 times, you find that the prices, or rather the cryptocurrency coins, which have got like a limited supply, usually do better than those which have got like a lot, you know, of circulating supply. So that's pretty much it. So I hope you understood what I was trying to explain, when it comes to like, briefly highlighting cryptocurrencies which you might be interested in. Okay, so for example, if you look at this one, Fedora coin, why is it going up by 6%? Why did it go up? You know, what is making this particular coin so interesting? So when you handpick some coins, right, just try to do a research. So and one other thing that you guys ought to do, especially before investing, all right, just don't look at these figures. Just don't look at, you know, the change in volume. You also have to look at a coin. You have to look at its roadmap. You know, you have to look at what the coin is going to achieve, like in a certain period of time. All right. So for example, let's say I was interested in investing in Fedora coin, right? The first thing that I have to do is I have to look at the Fedora coin website. You know, let's just try to look at it. Does it have a website? Does Fedora have a website? I don't freaking know. All right. Fedora coin official website. And what's this? I can only see the Reddit profile. That's pretty strange. And if you look at this Reddit profile, right, it only has 1,038 readers, so it doesn't really have like an active community. All right, so I'm wondering, like, it's very hard for me to find the official website, right? And how is this particular coin increasing in value drastically, you know? Yeah, so like, for example, if you look at this particular coin, right, the price is $0.00024 which is very cheap. So I'm sure a lot of people who are buying this coin, these are the people who just want to like invest in something which is cheap, you know, because a lot of people just really want to like multiply their money. So I'm sure a lot of people who are investing in this particular coin, they just really want to like store their money in this particular coin. Then when the price increases, they're definitely going to sell it, because, you know, like I can't find anything, you know, like it's very, let me try to look at the Twitter page and see what these guys are up for. All right, so when was the last tweet? The last tweet was on 14th February 2014. So you see, this is like really a bad investment. Like, I wouldn't personally invest in such a particular coin. But if you look at the increase in volume was probably people who are just looking at the price. They see that it's very cheap, and they're like, let me just try to like put my money in this. Who knows what might happen? So yeah, but personally I wouldn't invest in this particular coin because it doesn't have like really anything to offer, you know, like it's very dormant, it's very inactive. The last tweet was in 2014. So like for me, I don't really see any value in me in you know, investing in this particular coin. But as you can see here, the change in volume has really increased drastically by 6%. Why? It's probably because of people just really want to like put their money in there and hopefully see it rise. But when it comes to cryptocurrency investing, don't ever try to be lucky. You know, you have to take precise steps. You have to like really make the right choices, because making money literally in any aspect of life, it really requires you to like use your head and really think about things, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much how you're supposed to use this CoinMarketCap website. This is just for pretty much pinpointing particular cryptocurrency coins which you might be interested in. So that's one particular method, all right? So in case you find a particular cryptocurrency coin that you want to like you know, research about, all you gotta do is hit the official website and see what's going to happen. For example, I also discovered another cryptocurrency called Blitzcash, right? If you look at Blitzcash, it increased by 69 freaking percent. And look at the price. The price is only like 62 cents, right? So this means that this particular coin, you know, obviously it has got like something, you know, it is very interesting in some way. All right. So let's just try to look at Blitzcash, and let's try to see if there's anything which is particularly unique about Blitzcash, which is making people, you know, buy it. So for example, as you can see, Blitzcash, the official website is right there. Boom. It was very easy for us to like find. So let's see what Blitzcash has got. All right, a digital currency for the mainstream, a complete ecosystem of progressive services built on an underlying asset, innovative digital money. All right, so now let's look at the projects. Okay, the site looks pretty good. You know, it's all right, not bad. You know, it's like pretty convincing, don't you guys think? Yeah. So then let's look at the projects. All right. One of the most important things that you have to look at before investing in a particular cryptocurrency is you have to look at the projects. Like, what are these guys going to do, which is going to be very innovative, which is going to be different from other cryptocurrencies, right? So as you can see here on Blitz.cash, you can see that these guys have pretty much put down everything. Like, it's very easy for me to get the information, right? If I click on Blitzcash, right, there are a lot of different projects here. The Viral Exchange, Fertilize, BlitzPay, BlitzMM, whatever. So this is pretty much what investors are looking for, because you want to invest in a cryptocurrency which has got a future. Okay, so for example, let's look at the projects. The Viral Exchange. How is Blitz related to the Viral Exchange? You know, what is the Viral Exchange? All right, so the Viral Exchange aims to be the industry standard in increasing social media presence and driving users to websites. It allows for businesses and individuals to increase their social media exposure and following by giving users an incentive to view, like, share, and follow their accounts, pages, videos, and website. All right, so as you can see, the Viral Exchange is somehow connected to Blitzcoin. You understand? So Blitzcoin is actually being used to like pay people who are part of the Viral Exchange, which is personally a great project. You understand? So as you can see, Blitzcash has got a particular, it has got like a role, you know, it has got it's performing a particular service or a function, you know, like it has got purpose. You understand? So don't just buy any cryptocurrencies which are like just for the sake of being a cryptocurrency. They don't have any particular role. They don't do anything. They don't have any particular value at all. But if you can see with this one, right, Blitzcash has got like a particular role it's playing, which is very interesting. And if you come to think about it, everybody wants to be a star nowadays, you know. Everybody wants to go viral, you know. And the Viral Exchange, let's try to look at what the Viral Exchange is. The Viral Exchange. Let's just try to see what the Viral Exchange is. So you have to do all these researching processes before you like decide to like throw your money on a particular cryptocurrency coin. All right. So let's see what the viral exchange is. What is the viral exchange? The viral exchange is a next generation social exchange network which helps businesses and individuals increase their social network presence and drive users to their website. The exchange system is very simple. Every time a user likes, follows, or views another member's social media pages, they receive viral points, which they can be used to get more followers, likes, views, or visitors to their website or social media pages. The viral exchange is the first social exchange platform that allows you to cash out points to digital currencies. Are you guys hearing? Digital currencies. Users can earn Bitcoin, Blitz. Hello? Do you guys remember Blitz? This is the cryptocurrency. All right. So when people use the viral exchange, they can actually get paid, they can actually get paid in Blitz or Bitcoin. You understand? So therefore, Blitz is actually proving its value. It's actually used for something, so that really tells you that this cryptocurrency is going to blow up and it's going to increase definitely in value. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much what you're supposed to do. That's how the researching process is all about, So right now I can't do any further research because, I'm just going to like end up wasting a whole lot of time. But I'm sure you guys are pretty much acquainted with what I'm trying to say. All right. That's pretty much how you go about researching a particular cryptocurrency in case you find a cryptocurrency which you might be interested in. All right. And before you continue, before you decide to like put your money into this particular cryptocurrency, right, you have to do further basic technical analysis. You don't have to be like a certified trader for you to like look at these charts. They are pretty much easy to look at. You can pretty much determine if a cryptocurrency is either going to go up, if it's going to go down. It's like pretty easy. Anybody can do it. All right. So yeah, now that we discovered this particular cryptocurrency, right, we did the research and we found that everything was pretty much legit and it has got actual value, actual real life value. All right. So we say, okay, Blitzcash, let me do some further technical analysis on you. What do you have to offer me? All right. So you guys really have to like use this particular website, which I like. By the way, it's called Coinergy. Just go to www.coinergy.com. Damn, I've been talking for way too long. All right. So I'm going to have a link in the description in case you guys need to use it, because you definitely have to use this particular site because it's really, really helpful. It really shows you everything that's happening, All right. So Blitzcash. Let's look at Blitzcash. What's the symbol? Blitz. So here, this particular website, it actually shows all the cryptocurrencies out there, and you've got different, cryptocurrency exchange sites like Bittrex, you've got BTCE, you've got, Polynex. I hope I got the name right. Yeah, I think it should be around here. But for me, as you can see, I usually use, Bittrex. Bittrex, where are you? Bittrex is an cryptocurrency exchange site that I use. You use this site to to exchange your Bitcoin coins for other cryptocurrency coins. All right. So I'm using Bittrex in this particular case. So, in order for you to like, discover, or rather for you to look at the technical analysis of a particular coin, right? When you're using coinergy.com, the website that I'm using to like, read the charts and everything, all you have to do is, look for the cryptocurrency exchange, site, or rather platform that you're going to be using. In my particular case, I'm going to be using Bittrex, which is right over here. Okay. And it's right over here. As you can see here, there's BTC, and here, this is Bittrex. Okay. So I'm on the right path. And, for me to get the cryptocurrency, all I have to do is type in the cryptocurrency here, Blitz. Okay. So as you can see, Bittrex is the cryptocurrency platform that I'm using, and this is the cryptocurrency that I'm trying to do some research on, which is Blitz. So you simply click on it. Okay. So as you can see here, there are a number of ways of, reading the charts. For example, you can read the charts, using hours, using minutes, using days, using months. Okay. But for me, what I'm interested in, I really want to see the overall, performance of this particular coin. So I'm going to look at monthly performances. Okay. So as you can see right over here, let me just try to zoom out. This is how, Blitz has been performing over the past few years. All right. As you can see here, when it just started out, the highest it was like 88,524 satoshis. As you can see here, the chart really went up to there. The candle was way up there. Okay. So when it started, the overall price was 8,945. Okay. So let's just put it that way. Okay. So this was the value of Blitz, and after some time, as usual, it obviously went down. It decreased in value, then it went up, and for you to when you discover that a certain cryptocurrency coin, right, goes up drastically and it really exceeds its previous highest point, that really means that's a great sign. All right. As you can see here, the price was 8,822 satoshis. That was the highest price that Blitz was at. And then later on it decreased, it increased, but as you can see here, right? Here the price, this candle here, right? It was 12,664. It was good, but it wasn't really trading at that particular price on average. Okay, it was just there was demand which actually reached the price of 12,416. All right, so yeah, if you look at that, that really means it's actually doing good because it's becoming more and more valuable, and as you can see here, the price decreased, and then later on again it broke the 8,822 satoshi value, as you can see over here. So that means the cryptocurrency is really gaining a lot of value, and it's actually proving that it has the potential to be bigger because it's actually going further than its previous highest point, so that is very good as well. Okay, and that, by the way, this was in 2016, right? Then it started doing well here, then it went down, it came back up again. Then as you can see in 2017, right? As you can see, just a moment, somebody's trying to call me. Let me just switch off my phone. Yeah, in 2017, as you can see, right, Blitzcoin has actually gone drastically up. Okay, so this really means that they're actually doing either a lot of marketing or rather they are implementing their projects, so it's a great indicator. As you can see here, the highest that Blitzcoin was at was 8,945 satoshi. In 2017 it has actually improved and it has gone to 27,539 because people are actually discovering the value of Blitz Cash, and a lot of people are going to continue buying and investing in Blitz Cash. All right, so this is what you have seen. So what I usually do before investing in a cryptocurrency coin, right, I look at its previous performance. I look at its previous highest price, and eventually is the price being, is its record being broken, and usually when you see that the price is being broken more than 3 times, that's really a great sign. As you can see here, this was actually the highest point, then this was the second highest point, and if you look at this phase, right, we're in this particular phase, it has actually broken the highest price point 3 times, which is very good. That really means it's not a coincidence. That really means that people are actually working, the developers are actually improving the platform, and people are discovering the value of this particular cryptocurrency. You understand? So that's pretty much what you're supposed to do. There's nothing which is difficult here. I didn't, read a lot of crazy candlesticks and all that stuff. It was like pretty basic, So yeah, so Blitzcash actually passed my technical analysis. It passed my forensic background quick checkup. So I'm pretty much satisfied with this particular cryptocurrency. Okay. So for example, in case I decided to like invest in Blitzcash, right? Now what I have to do is, now that I have decided to like invest in Blitzcash, right? Right now the price is pretty high. Look at the price. 28,000 satoshis. It's not really expensive in relative to other cryptocurrency coins. No, what I'm trying to say is that the price is expensive for Blitzcash. This is actually one of the highest points. So it's very redundant. It's very bad for you to like invest in a cryptocurrency which is on its upward trend. Remember the saying, buy low, sell high. Okay, so right now Blitzcash is actually on its highest point, so it doesn't make any sense for you to like invest in Blitzcash at this particular moment, because it's actually doing very well, and in case you like decide to like buy Blitzcash when it's at 28,200, right? It has actually increased by 200 satoshis right now. In case you like decide to invest in Blitzcash, right? Maybe the price is going to go drastically down. It's going to go back down. You see what happened here, right? As you can see here, the price was pretty high. Then it went drastically down. Do you see the lowest point that it was at? Okay. So from 11,796, right? It went down to its lowest point, which was 2,500. All right. So even though Blitzcash is a very interesting, amazing cryptocurrency coin, right? It's always going to go down at some point. You understand? Yeah. So all you gotta do is wait for it to like cool down, wait for it to like calm down, and buy it when it's actually decreasing. Okay. So all you gotta do right now is just like continue looking at the price of Blitzcash and buy it when it has gone down by, I don't know, 50%, by 30%, by 40%, depending on the particular situation. So that's the right way that you're supposed to do it. Buy low, sell high. Because what's going to happen is when you buy at this particular price, right? Obviously it's not going to have any more juice left. It's not going to go further up. And even though it went up, you're not really going to make enough profit off of it. So all you got to do is just wait for it to reach those areas, to reach its lowest point. Okay. Then buy back in. Okay. So as you can see right over here, you can look at the average lowest, points that Blitzcash has been in. All right. So from there, you can determine and look at, you're going to be able to like know that this is one of its lowest points. For example, here, look at where I'm clicking right now. On average, it usually goes down below 3,987 on average. Okay. So in case you want to like buy and invest in Blitzcash, all you got to do is wait for Blitzcash to like come down either to this low, either to this, to this particular point, about 3,739. If you're lucky, you can get it lower than that, but I doubt, because, like it's going, it's always increasing in value. So it's not, obviously, maybe this time it's not going to reach as low as this, but it might happen. It might even go further down. All right. So that's what you have to do. So, in case you really want to like invest in Blitzcash, all you have to do right now is just keep an eye on it and wait for it to like go down. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much how you're supposed to do it. I'm not going to go into details because, yeah, damn, it's increasing in value. Now it's about 30,000 satoshis. God damn it. What's happening, Blitzcash? Yeah, so you guys better look into this particular coin then, because damn. Okay, so yeah, I think that's about it. And by the way, there's also another method that I use. As you can see right now, right, I'm on Bittrex. Bittrex is one of the sites that I use to like exchange my Bitcoin coins for other cryptocurrencies. So as you can see right over here, right, everything is like right in front of our eyes. You understand? As you can see here, Blitzcash has been highlighted. It went up by 68%. We did the research together, right? So you guys are already aware of it. And here, as you can see, you look at this particular coin, BitSwift. It went up by 96.1%. This is amazing. Let me just try to look at it. What's the name of the freaking cryptocurrency? BitSwift. BitSwift. Let me look at the price, you know. 35 cents. As you can see, it went up by 92.95%, which is very good. Imagine you had invested in this particular coin when it was in its you know, lowest price range. You would have obviously made a lot of money. All right. So as you can see here, it's doing pretty well, you know. So all you got to do is keep an eye on it, do all the research. You remember what we did, look at the projects, look at the roadmap, and pretty much just get to know about BitSwift, and then keep an eye on it. When it goes down, you invest in it. All right. So that's pretty much how you're supposed to do it. Like I was explaining, when you look at this cryptocurrency exchange platform, right, it automatically shows you the coins which are doing very well. So when you see that, all you got to do is, you know, research, do your research, see what the coins are all about. That's how you're supposed to do it. And by the way, here, as you can see, you can look at, you know, you can have like a basic summary of what the cryptocurrencies are looking like, what the prices are, you know, what the change in volume was at. As you can see here, I'm sorting my cryptocurrency coins by volume because I really want to see which cryptocurrencies are actually improving, you know. So this is my favorite sorting method because I want to see the change in value. If you want, you can look at the last price, but it's not very informative, you know, if you look at the you know, the last price. So I usually like looking at the, you know, the volume. And the other method that I use is the reverse hype method. You know, my name is crypto hype because I believe in hype. When a cryptocurrency has got a lot of hype, it's going to increase in value. So the other method that I use is the reverse hype method. And the reverse hype method is investing in coins which have drastically gone down by like a large margin. For example, let's look at the coins here. If you look at this particular coin, Litecoin, it has gone down by 0.4%, which is not a lot. Okay, so I wouldn't invest in Litecoin at this particular, you know, point because it has only gone down by 0.3%, which is very, very minimal. So with this particular method, all you have to do is look for the coins which have drastically reduced in value. Okay, as you can see here, let's hypothetically say I decided to like look at TKS. I've never even heard about this particular coin, but it's very interesting for me because it decreased a lot in value. Okay, remember what I told you, you have to look at coins which have increased in value and the coins which have decreased in value. For the coin to decrease in value, it means at one particular point it was very you know, it was going up, and a lot of traders have definitely cashed out their money and, you know, they have gotten their profit. So that doesn't mean that when a coin is decreasing in value, it doesn't mean that, you know, like the coin is not very important. That's it. It's never going to go back up again. Okay. So whenever a coin goes up in value, it's always going to decrease in value. You understand? So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So for example, when you discover coins which are drastically losing value, just try to do a research on them. Okay, this one, TKS, decreased in value by 13.4%. So that really means it's a great time for me to, like, you know, probably invest in it, but I wouldn't you know, like invest in when a coin decreases in value by 13.4%, because I would definitely wait for it to like decrease in value probably by 30 or 40%. Okay, but I'm just trying to give you an example. Okay, so for example, this particular coin, it decreased in value, right? So it means at one particular point it had an increase in value. Now it's only going down. And remember what I told you: buy low, sell high. Okay, so if you really want to like save your time and immediately start trading, right? Instead of you looking at the prices which are doing very well, right? All you have to do is look at the coins which are doing very bad. You understand, right? Are you guys getting the logic? Because if you look at the coins which are doing very well and the prices are going high, you're not going to invest in those particular coins because they are at their highest positions. So it doesn't really make sense for you to for you to invest in them because they are very expensive at that particular point. But all you gotta do is invest in coins which are now doing badly, but they were once doing very well. You get my point, right? So that's the trick, ladies and gentlemen. So instead of you looking at coins which are constantly increasing in value, look at the coins which are decreasing in value, because it tells you that at one particular point that cryptocurrency coin drastically improved, or rather increased in value. So if you really want to like invest in them, all you got to do is look at the coins which are decreasing in value and then do your research. Remember what we did? We went to the website, we looked at the projects, we found out what the coins were about. So for example, in this particular case, Talks? I don't know. I don't even know how to pronounce that. TKS. Okay. It's decreasing in value by 13%. It's decreasing in, the price decreased by 13%. Okay. I hope I'm getting the terminologies right. The price decreased by 13%. Okay. So all I gotta do is research, do a quick research on TKS and find out what the cryptocurrency is all about. If I see that this cryptocurrency coin has got like a lot of great stuff happening, it has got like a great team behind it, there's a lot of marketing behind it, it's actually providing real life value, then I'm definitely going to invest in it. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much how you're supposed to do it. Use the reverse hype method because it's going to save you time. Because if you only start looking at coins which are doing very well, right, it's going to take time for you to invest in them because you have to wait for them to like come down. You have to wait for the prices to like come down. You understand? So in order for you to like save time, look at the cryptocurrencies which have decreased in value, which have drastically decreased in value. Then do a research on those particular coins. Then if you see that everything is all good, then invest. And remember, do not forget to do the technical analysis. Just look at the prices, look at the previous highest points, look at how the price, how the coin is doing, how the prices are changing, and then try to figure out something. Okay, so that's pretty much how you're supposed to do it. So yeah, man, it was pretty much hard to explain, but I really hope you guys understood a thing or two. And in case you guys think it was informative, please leave me a like, subscribe to my particular channel, subscribe to this channel, the Crypto Hype Man, because it's all about hype. Whenever you've got hype, there's always going to be an increase in value. That's just how it is. So yeah, I hope I didn't mumble and waste a whole lot of time. And remember guys, in case you use one of my methods, please remember, don't forget to like donate to my channel, because it's only going to like motivate me to give you a whole lot of value, because I definitely don't want to like sell you a lot of, I don't want to like charge you for anything, because at the end of the day you're going to use your money, and at the end of the day, if you were meant to be a millionaire, you're still going to do it regardless, so I would rather just make it happen quickly for you, because you're still going to be a millionaire regardless. It's just going to like take you a faster period of time if you find the right information. So it would be an honor for me to like help somebody out there make some money, and they'll be forever thanking and remembering me. So in case you guys use one of my methods and you make a little bit of profit, remember just to give back, and that's going to motivate me to like make a lot of free, great, valuable information to people, so that everybody can have access to it. Because there's no point in hiding these things, because eventually if you guys were meant to be millionaires, you're still going to be a millionaire regardless, you know, so there's no point of hiding this information. Everybody deserves to know this. So yeah, that's pretty much how it goes. And in case you guys really want to like keep your cryptocurrencies safe, because safety should be your number one priority. Remember, I have been telling you guys, I've actually lost a lot of coins because of being careless and being dumb, you know. So you guys need to get the Ledger wallet. Let me just go to the website. You need to get your hardware wallet so that you can actually safeguard your cryptocurrencies, you know. So you need to, if you don't really have a lot of money, you can buy the Ledger Nano S. It's only 59. What's currency symbol is that? I don't know. I don't even know what currency symbol that is. That's obviously euro, right? It's like only 58 euros. So please make sure you have a hardware wallet, because you don't want to like have your cryptocurrencies on a cryptocurrency exchange platform, because anything might happen. You might lose your cryptocurrency coins. You know, you don't want to like only have your cryptocurrency coins on your laptop, because you might end up losing your laptop. It happened to me. I lost a lot of money, you know, because my laptop got damaged and I couldn't retrace, you know, my wallets and my private keys. So it's very vital. It's very important for you to buy the Ledger Nano S. So if you really want to buy this hardware wallet, the link is in the description. I'm just going to be honest with you. If you use my, you know, my link, I'm going to get a commission. It's only like, I don't know, like 2% of the price. So it's also going to help me to like, you know, make interesting, valuable videos for you. So that would be very amazing. So if you guys can't really donate, or the least that you can do is get you a Ledger Nano S and use my referral link in the in the description below. So I think that's about it. Please forgive me. I'm not a native English speaker. So, you know, in case my accent is terrible, please forgive me. You know, English is not my first language. So I hope it was all clear. Thank you very much. Hasta la vista, baby. It's your friend, the Crypto Hype Man. I'm out.